Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to this amazing video. Actually, this video is going to be really interesting and you will need to pay a lot of attention to understand this topic. This is a lengthy topic, so please pay your focus. In this lesson, I will be teaching you that how you can do HTTPS totally free without paying any cost at all. So first of all, let me help you out in understanding that what this HTTPS is. This is also called SSL certificate, and you can see the lock here with your link. This lock comes when you have a SSL certificate of your website. So here we have a lock, so this is secure website. It shows that your website is secure and you have some certificate. Okay, so many companies, hosting companies actually provide this SSL certificate for free inside your hosting and domain thing. Okay, but there are some which do not provide, so you will need to pay for this SSL certificate and buy this. But in this video I will be teaching you a method that will help you in getting this SSL certificate totally free without paying any cost at all. So if you are new to our YouTube channel, do subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. If you like this video, please share with your friends and family and leave a comment below if you have any error in this. Okay, so now let's start. This thing which is open on the screen is called cpanel. You will have to open your cpanel. That will seem like this actually, and then the second thing that you have to open is Cloudflare. This is how the Cloudflare looks like. I will try my best to leave the link in the description, otherwise you can simply go on Google and write Cloudflare and you can open this site. Okay, so let's start with details. Okay, so Cloudflare is opened here and you have to sign up here. You have to create an account. So let's click on sign up, and now you will have to put your email, your password and create account. Okay, so this is really simple. There's nothing big thing inside this. This website is Cloudflare, but I have a login already, so I will go with the login for now. And here I have almost done with the login, and my Cloudflare is open here. So now we will have to add site here. There is a blue icon here, add site, or the plus sign. Okay, so we will add a site here, and you can see here on our cpanel that our domain has no valid certificate, but when we will do this, here we will get a certificate. Okay, so I will show you this live. Okay, so now let's add this site. Now we have clicked on site, and now let's type in our site and click next, and it's just processing and let it finish. Okay, so this process, I'm repeating this process is totally free. Okay, you will not need to pay anything for now. Okay, so here are some packages, the Pro, Business and Enterprise. Okay, so $20, $200, we will not go with that. So now you can see there is an option, not sure where to start, get started for free. There is no cost on this. Let's continue with this. Click on that and press continue icon, the blue icon, and we have done. This is just doing a quick scan, DNS scan, that was okay. And now it's already opened and you can read out these things. But now in this we will need to add record, because we don't have any history here, no previous record, so add a record. Okay, so we will go with this, adding record here. Click on add record, and after clicking this, click on, and let's come here and it's shared IP address. Let's copy this address. Copy your address from your cpanel. Okay, come here, in name you will need to put @ okay, and here in IPv4 address put the IP address that we copied from cpanel. Okay, and now again add and now we will add cname. In here in name we will type www. And now here in target we will write our domain, that is we are using for now treentech.xyz, and save it. Let's continue with these details. Okay, so you can read these things, add more DNS record, you can read out these things. I suggest you should read this so that you understand with the things. Okay, and you can see here our website has come in the cname and a. And now let's continue, and you can read here we have successfully transferred our domain transfer complete is written. However, Cloudflare is still being checking your name servers. Okay, so leave it for now and go in DNS, and here you can see we have successfully added our website. And now the thing that you will need to focus on is that here are two name servers from the Cloudflare. These are written here, look at them, these are two. So now the very main step is that we have to connect the name servers of the Cloudflare with our domain. Okay, so for this we will have to add these server names in our domain manager, these server name servers. Okay, these two we will have to add in our domain. So let's go in domain manager. For example, our domain is from GoDaddy website, we have bought from them. So let's go to their website, and when we come there in DNS information, so there is an option name servers. You will have to change this for linking the free SSL servers with this one with the domain manager. Okay, so copy these and paste here. Okay, change there. This is all done. Okay, so this is, you can see that this is done. Okay, so now let's go in SSL and TLS. Okay, so this kind of thing will be open in front of you, and this is full by default. You can also go with full strict. Okay, see here, when you just come on full strict, there is an option coming there, a band coming. Okay, so you can go with this is strict, but the Cloudflare suggests you going with full. Okay, so we will go with full for now, there is no big thing. Okay, so let's come in cpanel, and there is an icon of key. We will need to go into this. Let's open this. This is basically settings. Okay, so let's open its settings, and as soon as we open, there comes auto SSL is in progress. So this is by default auto. If this is not, you can do it manually. Okay, but this will be auto. So this is just installing this, the installation is in the progress, so this will take you time. This is for sure, this will going to take time because installation is going on and this process is a bit lengthy, so you will need to wait for it. Okay, so let's wait until it's done. It is just installing. Stay calm and wait for it. But until then, let's go here and review some settings again. Okay, so the next thing here is edge certificates. Let's open this, and there an option come always use HTTPS, and this is on. Okay, so keep this on, always on. Let's go in client certificates, origin server. Okay, in origin certificates you can create certificate. Okay, you should create, I suggest. Okay, let's create for now, create certificate. Okay, keep these settings by default and go with the next option. Keep these settings by default, and here is your certificate, and this is origin certificate here and the private key. Okay, so let's go with okay, and now you have created, and this has validation for 15 years. You can see that expires on 2036. Okay, but this, let's check it. This is not done, this is still installing, so let's wait for it and review some settings until then. Okay, and here let's go with a quick review. Okay, quick start guide, review some settings. Here it is. Okay, click on the review settings and let's get started with this. Okay, the first thing is automatic HTTPS rewrites. Always save this as this is also on. Let's save this and let's go into the auto mini file and make sure these are all 3 ticks are there. Save it brutally. This is also on. Let's go with the save, and this is finished. We are done with this quick guide as well. Okay, domain transfer is also complete. Meanwhile, this auto SSL is installing. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and this will be done. Don't worry, but this will take time. Okay, so do subscribe to our channel, do share this video with your friends and family, hit the bell icon, and thank you very much for watching. Meet you in the next video.